All right, this is Little Star Plastics over here in Rockford, Illinois, and these guys were kind enough to sponsor our development of a electronic scheduling board. And we got the shop manager here, and his name is Matt Erickson, and what he's doing right now is actually starting to reschedule his different departments. And as you can see, what he's doing, he's actually going to be moving these different cards around and resequencing the queues for each one of his work centers to reflect the sequence in which he's going to execute these jobs. Down below you can see the manual scheduling boards these guys have used for years, and the color coding that you're seeing here is representative of different customers, so they can see the different customer specific operations flowing through the shop. And he has multiple boards set up on the wall. Right now he's working on the lathe department, and as you can see, he's moving his cards up and down the queues as needed to reflect the way in which he wants to run those operations. And he's got additional touch screens on the wall here to represent the milling department as well as the molding department. Ultimately, they're going to have this running on desktops also, so the customer service folks can come in and see how the shop manager is queuing up the work to run. He's scrolling down through the list of shop orders that he's going to be trying to find, and as he does that, he's able to basically select the one and it highlights those cards where now he can see them visibly, at which time now he can move them from one work center to another and move them up the queue. He can also do this right from his desktop, but once he gets the entire schedule set up the way it is, it's going to be more of small movements rather than all these massive changes he's got to make now. So this is the beginning of something pretty exciting for both Little Star as well as Henning Software as we move into the future with the electronic scheduling board. Any comments to make on your side, Matt?
Working great so far. I'm liking it.
All right, well, we appreciate your support and being the pioneers of getting this thing out there, and we deeply appreciate you guys as a customer. Thanks.